Early morning in the Mallee country of southeastern Australia. The crisp morning air is punctuated with the chatter of galahs and mulga parrots. They have arrived en masse. A flock of 50 birds has congregated here to drink. This large raised trough is one of the few water sources here in the dry expanse of the Mallee country. Each morning, an eclectic mix of species tussles for space to drink, while the adjacent bird hide provides the perfect vantage point from which to view the spectacle. Much of what you're about to see was filmed in high frame rate, ultra high definition, which captures the activity in fascinating detail. In slow motion, drinking and bathing become an acrobatic display. Mulga parrots are one of Australia's most spectacular parrot species. The males are swathed with vibrant blue, gold and red plumage, while the females are comparatively subtle green. As the flock descends to drink, they envelop the trough in a vibrant cloud of colour and incessant chatter. They are wary though. At the slightest indication of danger, the entire flock erupts into the sky. In the relative quiet that ensues, the galahs venture into the scene. This one is a female, as denoted by her light pink eye. Her mate, with a completely dark eye, has also arrived. They cautiously drink together. These intelligent cockatoos are fascinating to watch, hanging from branches in boisterous displays with their wings outstretched. More mulga parrots arrive to reclaim their watering point, and once again the trough is converted into a veritable rainbow of colour. Despite their bright colours, the predominantly green and blue back of the male provides good camouflage when feeding on the ground. Mulga parrots are distributed across much of southern mainland Australia. If you would like to learn more about Australia's remarkable parrot species, then please check out the video Top 20 Australian Parrots, which covers my favourites. Thanks for watching Epic Birds. Please remember to like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video so that you can keep up to date with the latest from the channel. There's plenty more coming soon.